Hey everyone, it's Bobby from Lyco Birds, and in this video I am going to do a quick walkthrough of how to identify this American tree sparrow. For context, this photo was taken during January in north central Pennsylvania. So with sparrows, typically you want to start with looking to see if there's streaking or no streaking on the underside. And you can see on this bird, there's not much streaking at all. There's a little bit of texture and some color, but no dark streaks. So that right away knocks out about half of the species you might expect in that location during the winter. So with unstreaked sparrows, the good place to start then would be the head pattern. So on this bird, we can see there's a rufous eye line here that does not continue through the eye onto the lores. So chipping sparrow would be another species that shows an eye line, but the eye line on chipping sparrow is darker and it continues through the eye. So you would see the dark line run all the way through here. And then looking at the bill, you can see that the top of the bill, or the upper mandible, is gray and the lower mandible is yellow. So that gives a bicolored bill that is typically cited as a good field mark for American tree sparrow. You can also see the head pattern here. The top of the head is a solid rufous crown, not quite solid in the middle, but that's to be expected on some winter birds, but generally just a solid rufous cap. You can also see the build is fairly stocky overall. Tree sparrows are not tiny birds. They often project some stockiness. And then looking at the body, you can see the dark spot in the middle of the chest that most tree sparrows show is just barely visible here. And most American tree sparrows also show a rufous wash here on the sides. Some birds can be very gray and barely show any color here, but in general, most of them are showing some color. So that's kind of how you would go about identifying this bird. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.